Hi, I'm Anthony, founder of the Boot Bag Group, developers of the Revo-Rack and the Boot Bag. And in this short video, I'm just going to show you how to attach luggage to a luggage rack. So it doesn't have to be a Revo-Rack, it can be any luggage rack, the process is the same. So these are standard luggage rack straps. We supply them free with a Revo-Rack, but you can get them on eBay, Amazon, etc. Just 2 D-rings and a length of webbing. So the key when doing this is to loop the webbing around the frame of your luggage rack twice. This gives it a lot more purchase and it doesn't move once it's pulled tight. Whereas if you just loop around once, there's a chance the luggage straps can slide. So I get a lot of questions from customers asking me why our Revo-Rack doesn't have sections for luggage rack straps. The reason is you don't need them if you use this method. So left to right. So in this example, I'm using a hard case, but if you've got a soft sports bag you're putting on, or a tent or something like that, that hasn't got a solid base, what can happen during your journey is the bag can sag and it can go through the bars on your luggage rack. So what I suggest is when you're doing this, loop around every bar you've got on your luggage rack, and the left to right one, make sure that is above these ones. So here we go, you can see how tight and how much effort I'm having to put in to move that now, because these 2 joints here are holding it really tight. Obviously, common sense, if you've got handles or areas on your bag, you can feed your straps through, makes sense to do it. Left to right, through the D-ring. Again, common sense, you can leave it like that, but this is going to flap. So what I suggest you do is just tie a knot after the D-ring, that will stop it moving, and then feed the strap back through the gap and under the D-ring. There's much less chance of you looking in your mirror and just seeing flaps going everywhere. So if you've got standard webbing straps like this one, what you can do if you want is you can cut it with a pair of scissors. And if you melt the end of these kind of nylon webbing straps, 25mm straps these are, it will stop any fraying. So it's very easy to sort the problem before you've got it. But yeah, the key is to loop round twice.